Previous videos demonstrated installing nuxt-auto-crud via starter templates. This video covers manual installation with SQLite. Visit the nuxt-auto-crud GitHub page and locate the manual installation section. Since NAC is a Nuxt module, begin by creating a new Nuxt application. Install Nuxt Hub, drizzle-orm, SQLite or MySQL2, and nuxt-auto-crud as dependencies. Install drizzle-kit and TypeScript as dev dependencies. Update nuxt.config.ts. Copy the modules array and a hub object from the documentation and append them to your configuration. If using MySQL, set the DB parameter accordingly. This example utilizes SQLite. Define your drizzle schemas. You may use the provided user's schema or create your own. If the server directory does not exist, create it. Place your schemas at server/db/schema.ts or export them via server/db/schema/index.ts for multiple files. Note: the highlighted section for MySQL users can be skipped for this SQLite setup. Generate migrations after any schema changes, then start the server. Access the application at localhost :3000. Check the user listing endpoint. It will initially return an empty array. Verify again after creating a user. For a detailed look at all 5 CRUD APIs, refer to the third video in this playlist. In the next video, we will cover manual installation for MySQL.